Hi everyone, we are very much excited to welcome Dr.Deenadalayan to our podcast. He is a oral and maxillofacial surgeon and renowned for his surgeries in both oral cancer resection and reconstruction and also facial plastic surgeries. These two fields are completely different from each other. Oral cancer is dealing with older people and dealing with emotionally very difficult situation, and plastic surgery is dealing with a lot of celebrities and younger patients. So he could able to handle these both two extreme of segment of surgeries also. So today we are going to get his experience, share his experience from him. Please introduce about yourself.
I am Dr.Deenadalayan, oral and maxillofacial surgeon, a good friend of Dr. Murugavel, a UG batchmate, a friend for more than about 20 to 25 years. More interested towards oncosurgery, aesthetic surgeries is my area of interest. Been sharing thoughts with my dear friend for a very long time. An area of expertise, whatever the difficulties we feel and we go through, we share it out. This is how our the experience is running from the day one till now, and I hope it will be keep on going on and on and on.
Usually students enter dentistry when they don't get MBBS.
Correct.
So 80% of the students first 6 months, 1 year, they will be in depression, little depression. I want to do MBBS, something like that. So what is your
Actually, the pathfinder, I would say, is Dr. Raghavendra Jayesh, sir. It is not that I want to go for MBBS or anything like that. So Dr. Jayesh said you would be a better dentist, and he told me. So whatever my teacher, a great teacher of both of us, so he's my pathfinder who said that dentistry would be a better one for you. So I have no regrets that I'm not against any medical science or so. But I felt from day one this is my bread and butter, and I was so happy with, and I am still so happy with whatever I'm doing it.
Okay.
So I would always thank my teacher, Dr. Raghavendra Jayesh. We both, I would say, I address this very proudly. As a matter of fact, he is a man who shared a few of the basic knowledges which really enlightened me. And he is a man who again took me and he said, you have to do surgery also in maxillofacial surgery. So I just listened to my teacher simply. There are few people who will be always born with silver spoon, they used to say. So I have been enlightened by all my teachers, good friends like him next to me. So it was very clean cut. There is no ragged edges or no fallback saying that I should have done this, I should have done this. The destiny is very beautifully always coiled for me, and I am very glad that I am with my destiny.
Okay. So coming to the teacher, so what are the two qualities which you learn, admire from the teacher, Dr. Jayesh?
Jayesh is a great human being. Forget about being a doctor and other things. A humble, very great human being. See, this gentleman has taught me how to be humble towards the parents, to their, the brothers and sisters, and to his teacher, and to his students also. I would say why I would connect all the dots, why I would say, because the clinic what I bought and I am is Dr. Julian's dental clinic. Okay, sir is no more, but his daughter gave that clinic to me. Dr. Julian is supposed to be Dr. Raghavendra Jayesh sir's teacher.
Okay.
So when me and Dr. Jayesh and all met, the destiny was not that clear for me that I'll be buying Dr. Jayesh's teacher's clinic itself. It is a pure blessing, I would say. See, he said that you have to do this, you have to do this. So step one, get into dentistry. Step two, he told me to get into maxillofacial surgery. I had more teachers into it. My career doesn't end with just one teacher. I wouldn't say just with great teachers who always has fed me in a very beautiful way. So my pathfinder is Dr. Raghavendra Jayesh, and it's his pure blessing that I got his own teacher's clinic also as my own. And he was the first man to come and congratulate me. He said that, Deena, you have pure blessing. That is the reason you could able to take my own teacher's clinic also. So I was very much pleased to my teacher whatever he has given me or whatever the blessing he has given me.
Okay.
So to answer your question.
So when we are seeing the HODs of many colleges, they have a past experience. They would have failed in that subject.
Correct.
Okay. Many surgery HODs they failed in surgery. Ortho HODs they failed. So that make them to push to go to greater heights. So failing in a final year subject is a very traumatic, emotionally disturbing and difficult event. You have faced such kind of event, no?
Correct.
So how you able to overcome those difficult times?
Again, I would say our teacher's beautiful word is failure is not a defeat, just a delay, used to say.
Okay.
When we all were seeing failure in a very different perspective, this gentleman has told failure is not a defeat, it's just a delay of success, he was telling me. So that since we are batchmates, I've been flunked in endodontic department.
Okay.
But that is the department, that is the passion for me. Again, we have another two more beautiful teachers there. One is Dr. Vivekanandan sir. Another one is, he's no more, Dr. J.
Okay.
So, I don't know, somehow the endo department, Dr. Vivek sir used to love me a lot for the handwork what we have. And I also enjoy working endodontics. Till now, every time I do it, I really feel that as though this is my first filling I used to work, because that knowledge, what they have shared to me was really an enlightened one, I would say. Okay. So again, the thanks to the second step of my teachers, So that was there. But failure emotionally, yes, it disturbs a lot. When few of our friends, when they failed in second year or so, they were not talking with us. This is for the students who are going to see this. Yes. So it is a bit a tough one, I would say, but somehow or the other, that is not going to be the first failure you will be seeing in your life. So get prepared for every hit you get it, such that you have to rise again and be a phoenix always. So never go down just with one single failure. You have to make more attempts, more managing skills you have to do it. A day will come that the delay will not be so delayed.
So from undergraduate to postgraduate, you joined surgery. Yes. So what made you to choose surgery? There are 7 departments. So why?
Again, Dr. J. Sher, he was more, towards surgery, that he said that if you become a surgeon, it will be good. Because some teachers know what the student's level is, what the capacity is, their instinct. So he said you have to do it. And the third step of teachers, he only handed over me to Dr. Gunashilan sir.
Okay.
So first day I went and I met Gunashilan. Before and all, when we see Dr. Gunashilan, we all will be very scared.
Okay.
So day one, he only pulled me inside and he just went and he introduced to Dr. Gunashilan sir, Gunashilan Rajan sir. So he's another great surgeon. Those days it was... I never felt that it will be very easy or a cakewalk for me, that I can walk in just like that and I'll get everything. I told you, it was never a hard-earned one, or every day I have to go and beg or nothing like that. It's like step 1, step 2, step 3, I was keep on moving. And Gunashilan sir is a very great surgeon. That he's my, I would say he's my fourth teacher, our first teacher in surgical steps. Okay. So he's a man who caught my hand and he taught a lot of things. Okay. Along with him, I would have to thank one more great man is Dr. Rajasundaram. He's a oncosurgeon. When we were doing intern itself, I have been trained deeply by him. So few of the cases when I was showing it with Dr. Jayesh, he said, Deena, you have to do these type of cases. But he had a great heart. Dr. Rajasundaram has a great heart that to show and to teach and to, mold me into a beautiful surgeon. So I always put all my, my growth or whatever it is in their beautiful lotus feet, that my gratitude will be there always with those of my teachers who have really helped me a lot. Then with Dr. Gunashilan sir, they had a huge team like Dr. Veerabagu, Dr. Uma ma'am, Dr. Malini ma'am, Dr. Nathan. I will be keep on telling about a lot of doctors, and because my gratitude towards them is always, still it always sticks into my heart that Just with the words, we cannot say thanks and we cannot leave them, because teachers are the one who are like our parents. We are their prodigy. They have made us, they have sculptured us. Yes, they hit us very badly, high heights, and the lowest things we'll get it when we are with them. But these people, they engrave you, or engulf all the egos what we have, and they will show us this is what you are. And that makes us to walk in a very different path.
We have to give entirely
Yes,
to the
yes,
teachers.
surrender ourselves
Yes,
to them.
surrender ourselves. So coming to Dr. Gunashalan sir, who is a legend. So can you tell two things which, on a personal level, which you admire in him, which you learned from him?
See, he is a man of many things. We cannot shrink my teacher into a very small thing. But one thing what I admire about him is, in whichever height he is, the moment he see some of his favorite students, he doesn't have something called as favorite, but there will be always a soft heart for some students, right? He will come down and he'll like a normal man he talks. That is one great thing. How much ever height we climb, still we have to make sure that our foot touches the floor. We should never fly high. So that is what I always take it from him.
Okay. So coming to the PG period, it's a 3-year period. So post graduation is not full of roses. It is full of challenges. So what is the maximum challenges you have faced in the PG career and how you solved it? Can you share? Because currently also all the postgraduate, they are having a lot of stress, dissertation, everything, quotas, everything. So how you handled it?
Post graduation, I always had Murugavel, another one more doctor called Dr. Srinivasan. So see, there are a few things, few people are always has this superpower with them. One is, even Dr. Gunashalan used to say two things. One is, you should know how to work. The second one is, you should know how to make other people work to get your beneficiary.
Okay.
Right? How it is possible means, how to work is either you have to study well and you have to apply that and you have to face all the complications on your own. The second one is a bit easy, but still this word is said by Murugavel: a wise man will have a big ear, big eye and no mouth. So he will read a lot and he will come and discuss with me, but my eyes and ears will be always very heavily open. So I get to observe a lot of subjects what he speaks, Srinivasan speaks, and that is what I always imagine and I put forth, and that has really helped me a lot. So I told you, my path is not a very ragged or rough roads. It's always a very smooth roads. So in Tamil they always used to say, a great man called Thiruvalluvar, you move around with wise people, it is easy. At easy you can have your life. So I always had wise people around me. So there is nothing, any garbage goes into my ears. It's always a sweet things which comes into me and it comes to my hand very easily. I've been blessed in such a way that, and having all the blessed people around me.
Okay.